I've been with Johnsonite for 10 years. May 13th was my 10-year anniversary. We have a passionate workforce, especially when in terms of the tenured Johnsonite brand. Very proud of the brand that Johnsonite created in the marketplace. The fact that we rank #1 in multiple categories across the flooring industry is something that they take a lot of pride in. Our customers have specific dimensional and color specifications, and we have to be able to match them exactly. Because if that customer needs replacement base in 5 years from something that we've produced today or even 5 years ago, we have to be able to replicate it. We take pride in our ability to match color and an ability to replicate color in intricate designs of the different profiles. We have the team in place of people that care. Every associate from day one is educated on our quality standards and what quality checks have to go into making the product. Every job, every single job, dimensions are checked, every box. Colors are always checked on startup and then routinely throughout the run as well. So we're constantly throughout the production run measuring dimensional checks and color checks just to make sure that we're adhering to not just at the beginning of the job, but the entire run of the job has the same specifications. We're in the die shop right now, and the die shop is an integral piece of our business. We have to create new dies all the time. If a customer comes to us with certain specifications, hey, is it possible for you to go ahead and create this new specifications of a die? That's when the die shop and the production team get together and they do die trials. They take a steel block and they'll either run it through the EDM, which is an electronic die cutter, or they'll actually have to get in there with some chisels and some grinders and just do rough passes each time to just finite that quality so that the end result is exactly what the customer needs. Last year we went 32,000 different SKUs, and that includes the different die profiles as well as 269 different colors. That's something to be proud of. So our employees have to have a diverse set of skills to be able to provide the customer service on that kind of an offering. We started offering millwork around 2002. We were the only ones doing it. And what's unique about it is the different curvatures of the different profiles. We can make a product look like it was run through a mill lathe. That's a very attractive thing for a casino or a school or a store to have on their walls instead of just a wall base. As time went on, we started having more and more of these offerings with more and more intricate designs. So, it's a higher end product, and we know we're gonna do it with the quality that comes with the Johnsonite brand and with the passion that our employees have. It's gonna be done right. Millwork is just one of the ways we can help you create the spaces you want with designs made right. Made right means Johnsonite.